Hi, hello, welcome to Math at a Go. I am here today to explain something about mathematics. We often see people saying, "Oh, math is confusing. I can't take math. I'll run away from math." People say. They say it's all confusing. The name itself is confusing. Whether to say math or math, there starts the confusion and goes on. When plus into plus can become plus, why not minus into minus become minus and should become plus? So it always confuses me. And we work hard at home, we do at home, we get at home, and once we sit to write the examination, we get confused and we don't get the proper answer. This is one more aspect of students. And some say, I am in degree today and I still confused and don't understand where to put a decimal point and where to put a zero during division. This still confuses me and I'm not clear, I'm not sure about what to do. Amidst all these confusions, hardness and complexity of subject, better run away from mathematics and take some other group like BPC, HEC, CEC and so on. So this is the aspect of most people. But let me also make it clear the other side of subject. I have a question to you. It may be a familiar question to you, but let me put it before you once again. If I ask a question like this, if 3 cats can eat 3 rats in 3 minutes, then how many minutes are required for 6 cats to eat 6 rats? Everybody definitely tries to answer these questions, including you. No matter whether you like math or not, no matter whether you can really do it or not, but definitely you'll try. What made you try this? Because it fascinates you. That is the fascination only math can have. No other subject can fascinate you so much as mathematics can do. Let me say one more thing. There is a shop selling 3 pens for 4 rupees and another shop selling 4 pens for 5 rupees. And when you have to go, which shop do you prefer to go? This shop or this shop? Because the difference is only of 1 rupee. 3 pens for 4 rupees, 4 pens for 5 rupees. So it doesn't make much difference and you may go anything. This you won't do when you know mathematics, because after all, money we don't get easily. So spend money cautiously and intellectually. For this, mathematics helps you. One more thing, we all speak about the 7th wonder or the 8th wonder of the world, Taj Mahal. We praise it for its beauty. Of course, its beauty lies in many aspects, but the very basic aspect behind its beauty is the mathematics. I proudly say that it is mathematics that is adding to the beauty of Taj Mahal, the golden ratio. So, all these aspects of mathematics add color and glory to our life and make our lives beautiful. So, mathematics is definitely a subject to consider. If you have to excel in your studies, in your career, and thereon in your life, you need to definitely carry on with mathematics. At least you should be good at basics of mathematics. That will definitely make your life better. So please decide whether you go with the opinion of the first group of people saying, "Oh, it's hard, oh, it's confusing, oh, let me run away," or will you stick to this group of people saying it's fascinating, it's fantastic, it's glorious. It is your decision. I definitely stick to the second version. Math beautifies our life. So through this channel, I would like to make mathematics more interesting to you. I'll clarify every point. That point which lets you go and make a mistake, that point which confuses you, which you are not clear at, will definitely be cleared in this channel and will make it more lively and more interesting. Along with that, because mathematics is a skill subject, we give you enough practice through worksheets with the links given below under every video. By practicing these worksheets, you will achieve perfection and mastery over the subject dealt in the video. What more is, we will also provide you with a link through which you can go to a test and attempt it, and immediately after completing the test you can know your achievement. That will be provided under every video. And to learn mathematics well and to master in it, to master yourself in mathematics, you should definitely follow three things. One is, don't be afraid of mathematics. Why should you be afraid of mathematics? Mathematics is after all a subject like other subjects. It is not a harmful animal to kill you. It is a subject. And what more is, you have very little of things to remember like that you do in other subjects. If you have a step, that step automatically suggests you to go for the next step and what to do in the next step. That is the greatness of mathematics. You don't have to by heart many. So why should you be afraid of? And what more is, the more you go into the steps and the more you get, the more your face glows. I can say, the one's face glows more who can do math more than he who can use more of fairness creams. That is mathematics. It doesn't harm you, so need not be afraid of. Confusion is confusion as long as you don't concentrate on it. Once you concentrate on it, all the confusion vanishes. So please don't be afraid of mathematics in view of someone's opinion. Look at mathematics through your eyes, not someone else. Please do this. Second step is, you must practice it every day. A systematic and regular practice can put you in a good position, because mathematics is a skill. What is a skill? A skill is that which you attain only through regular and systematic practice. Let me tell you about swimming, which is a skill. Driving, which is a skill. You can attain perfection only through regular swimming or regular driving. The more you do, the more you become perfect in it. And maths is the same. When you are able to enjoy driving, though it is hard at the beginning, when you are able to enjoy swimming, though it is terrifying at the beginning, why don't you do the same? Why can't you do the same? Why won't you do the same with mathematics? So once you go to your regular practice, you enjoy mathematics like anything. It takes you to the peaks of subject and peaks of pleasure, peaks of joy. So please don't forget to practice regularly. Thirdly, you should learn it from the heart. How to learn it from the heart? You should feel the subject. You should appreciate the subject. See, how can maths decide the beauty of a structure? Simple. If there is symmetry, you look better. If there is no symmetry, if your symmetry lacks like this, you can't be good to look at. Likewise, if there is no symmetry, no ratio maintained in Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal would not have been so great. So just appreciate how great it is. Just imagine there are innumerable colors if you go to paint shop. All that we have are only 3 colors, and mixing them in different ratios calculated earlier, you will get whatever the color you want. Just imagine how mathematics is making your world colorful. So mathematics is definitely a wonderful subject that puts you ahead of everybody around you. It builds confidence in you. It takes you to the heights of knowledge. It takes you to the heights of discipline, because mathematics means discipline. It's a matter of time, speed, accuracy, everything. And these are all nothing but discipline. And when you are disciplined, you are respected everywhere, you are preferred everywhere, you are prayed everywhere. So, mathematics makes everything for you. So, please learn mathematics because it is the mother of all subjects. Once you learn mathematics, you can learn any other subjects very easily. And when you are good at all subjects, there's no looking back. You can achieve whatever the goal you like. So please follow these steps in learning mathematics and you will be at the best of the positions you want, at the best of joy you want in your life. And as a part of my responsibility, I would like to give you every possible learning at your comfort, at your joy, in your view, as per your understanding, as per your clarity. So please follow my channel and you'll understand mathematics and learn it to the perfection and become a master in it. And I assure you, my channel helps you in acquiring mastery by giving you all kinds of practice, interest based learning, and everything that is required for you to master in this subject. I may go a little bit slow, but my intention is to make everything clear to you so that you learn it at a single go. That is why I used the name Math at a Go. I hope it will be a pleasureful journey to you. So, Math at a Go, a pleasureful go. Don't miss the pleasure of learning maths through my channel. Under the comment section, please don't forget to comment whatever you want in the next video, or the problems to be discussed, or the things to be clarified. Thank you.